Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tana's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn indirect speech. If you want to master this topic, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering, what is indirect speech? And the answer is simple. Indirect speech is used to report what someone said without repeating their exact words. Direct speech, for example, she said, I'm happy between the quotation marks, right? Do you remember the video that we saw yesterday? And if you don't, I recommend you to rewatch it or watch it. You will find it in this YouTube channel. And we have an example with indirect speech. She said that she was happy. If you see here, we want to use quotation marks. That's the difference between direct and indirect speech. So be careful in those details. Then we have change in verb tenses. Shorting verb is in the past, say, told. The tense after reported the sentence usually shifts back one step in time. And we have here the differences between them. We have direct speech, I'm happy, and in indirect speech, it will be, she said she was happy. If you see here, we didn't reply what direct speech said. We changed totally the sentence and we didn't add quotation marks. I was tired. He said he had been tired. I will go tomorrow. She said she will go the next day. I can swim. He said he could swim. Then we have here change in verb tenses. We have an exception. If the information is still true or a general fact, the tense does not change. For example, the earth is round. We say it in direct speech, right? But in this case, we won't change because that is true or is a fact. She said the earth is round. Then we have here another examples. Direct speech. I love this book. Indirect speech. She said she loved that book. We are here. They say they were there. I will do it tomorrow. He said he will do it the next day. I saw her yesterday. She said she had seen her the day before. If you see here, in direct speech, we only open quotation marks and we respect the symbols. But in the case of indirect speech, that totally changed because we transform our sentences in past. Then we have repeated questions, yes, no questions. Use if or whether. Do you like pizza? This is a direct speech, right? We're asking in direct speech because we have the quotation marks. And we transform it in indirect speech saying he asked if I liked pizza. Then we have WH questions. Keep the question word. Where is he? She asked where he was. What are you doing? He asked what I was doing. Do not use, be careful, do, does, and did in indirect questions. For example, we can't say he asked where did she go. It's wrong. The right to say it is he asked where she went. So now guys, after all the information that we saw about indirect speech, it's time to make an activity time. And the activity says change the following sentences into indirect speech. I love English. How do you think that it will be the answers? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments and I'll be reading those comments. Then we have she is studying now. They went to the cinema yesterday. Can you help me? Don't touch that. I be expecting those answers in the comment section, guys. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you in the next lesson and don't forget to write down below in the comments your answers.